This guide is all about installation both for the free Cook plugin and the Pro upgrade. To install the free plugin, you'll want to head over to Plugins Add New. From there, you can search for Cooked in the upper right-hand side. You should see the Cook plugin show up in the results at the top. Now you can install and activate. If you purchase a Cook Pro license, upgrading to Pro is just as simple. With the free Cook plugin still installed and active, head back over to the Plugins Add New screen. Only this time, you'll want to click the Upload button at the top. Now just choose the Cook Pro zip file you received when purchasing. Once this finishes uploading, you can activate Cook Pro. Once Cook Pro is installed and active, you'll want to activate your license key. Just click this link at the top. Now you should have received a license key via email, and you'll want to copy and paste that into this text field. Click Update Settings and you're all set.